we're gonna fall. Then we're gonna fall. Let's clap our hands. Let's everybody clap together, love. You sound so beautiful. Thank you so much. Do you want to fly a little bit? To the year 2000 for a minute. And that's for sure. Huh? You're lovely, but it's not for sure that I won't ever change. How about this part? And though my love is, and though my love is, love is certainly rare and true. Hoopla. Let's stay forever. Okay. Oh, okay. We'll do another sing-along, okay? James couldn't be here tonight. But if you know this one, you can help me sing the first verse, because he sings the first verse usually, okay? It's called Broken Strings. Let me hold you.